Fighting out in a red corner from El Tigre, Mandaluyong City, Dar Kagil. And his opponent fighting out with a blue corner from San Fernando, La Union, John Derek Soquito.
Kaya.
Garen, taas kamay lang ha.
Nauna kayo rin.
Garen.
Go, balik.
Yan, ganyan lang. Relax lang. Relax lang. Alam nila, makakaisa pa sila dyan. Punat na yan, boy.